Storing your bikes has never been easier or safer than with the Monkey Bars Bike Storage Rack. Monkey Bars Bike Rack features an industrial-grade steel bar that can hold up to 200 pounds. The bar is powder-coated to be durable and adjustable. The 6-bike rack comes with an additional third bracket that allows it to safely hold up to 300 pounds. The hooks are completely rubber-coated for a better grip and scratch-free hold. The updated hooks reduce torque to protect the spokes and rims. The new design wraps around the bar so hooks can be adjusted without popping off the bar. They are also large enough to accommodate larger tires that are less than 4 inches wide. Each bike rack comes with 3, 4, and 6 hooks respectively. Installation is complete in as little as 15 minutes. Screw the brackets into your studs, slide the hooks onto the bar, and insert the bar into the brackets. When the double button clicks, you're done. Create more space in your garage with this bike storage rack or any other storage solution from Monkey Bars.